Next, multiplication shown on number line. In multiplication, we have to remember three names. That means 6 into 2 is equals to 12. 6 2 is 12, we know. So in this multiplication, 6 is called multiplicand, 2 is called multiplier. Look, it is multiplying 6, that's why it is multiplier. And what result we get after multiplication? It is product. So three names we have to remember: multiplicand, multiplier, and product. And now coming to this multiplication, how to show on number line. So whole number line, so that's why marking whole numbers on number line: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in multiplication, we have to start from 0. Whatsoever the multiplication, we have to start from 0. Then question is, which side we have to move, left side or right side? Multiplication is repeated addition. That's why we have to move right side from 0. So in addition and subtraction, in addition and multiplication, we have to move right side. In subtraction and division, we have to move left side. You have to remember this. Multiplication is repeated addition. That's why we have to jump or we have to move right side of 0. And now starting from 0. Here, this multiplicand tells us, tells us how much we have to jump. That means the multiplicand, how much here? 6. So this 6 will tells us how much we have to jump. So we have to jump 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So make a jump of 6 from 0 to 6. Then this multiplier tells us how many jumps we have to do. Multiplicand tells us how much we have to jump. How much? This multiplier tells us how many. So if we remember this one, easily we can show the product on number line. So multiplicand tells us how much we have to jump. Multiplier tells us how many jumps we have to do. So multiplicand here 6, that's why how much means we have to jump 6. How many? So here 2. So like that 6 jumps, we have to jump one more jump. That means totally 2 jumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 6 to 1 more jump means we reached to 12. So 6 2s are 12. So this is the process. And next one more example. 4 3s are 12 here, and okay, take one more different. 4 2s are 8. Why again 12? 12 we took here. So some different number take here. So 4 2s are 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here multiplicand is 4. So we have to jump. How much we have to jump? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So make a jump 0 to 4. How many we have to do? 2. So like that, 1 we did already and one more 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So like that. So we reach it to 8. So 4 2s is 8. So this is the process of showing multiplication of whole numbers on number line. And the next, division of multiplication on number line. So next, in division you have to remember here also 3 words: dividend, divisor, quotient. That means 10 divided by 2. So 10 is dividing. So 10 is divided by 2. That means 2 5s are 10. So here 10 is called dividend. What is divided? What is divided? That is called dividend. What is dividing here? That is called divisor. Then after division, then what we will get? That is called quotient. And finally, remainder. How much remains after division? So here sometimes 0, 1, 2, 3, whatsoever remains, that is called remainder. So mainly you have to remember 3 things. What is divided? That is called dividend. And what is dividing here? That is called divisor. Then how many times it is? So we called it is as quotient. Now coming to number line, how to show this division on number line. So whole number line: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here dividend is 10. That's why it starts from 10 here. That means here in multiplication and division, you have to remember one thing. In multiplication process will start from 0 and will move towards right side. Why? Because multiplication is repeated addition. That's why right side from 0 will move. But in division is the reverse process of multiplication. That's why we'll start from dividend, not from 0. So we'll start from dividend and we will jump and we will move to left of that number, left of dividend. So it is complete reverse to multiplication. That's why dividend, observe, it is 10. So dividend tells us from where we have to start. And this divisor tells us how much we have to jump. So dividend tells us from where we have to start. This divisor tells us how much. We have to jump. So start from dividend, that is from 10, jump 2. So 1, 2. So jump 2 steps. We'll reach 10 to jump 2 steps to left of that number and we reach it to 8. Then next, one more jump. That means every jump is 2 steps. So 1, 2. So we reach it to 6. And one more jump, 1, 2. I told every jump is 2 steps. And next one more jump, 1, 2. And next one more jump, 1, 2. So we have to continue this jumping towards the left side until we reach it 0. If we reach it 0, then the division process is over. How many jumps we did? You count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So how many jumps we did? That is the result of this division. So question tells how many. And one more example. 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4, as we know, it is 3. How to show a number line? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So dividend is 12, that's why it starts from 12 here. Starts from 12 and jumps. How much divisor will tell how much. So 4 here divisor, so I have to jump 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 towards 0, that means left of the 12. Continue this jumping. Every time one jump should be 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is second jump. Next again 1, 2, 3, 4. So we reached 0 here. So totally how many jumps we did? 1, 2, 3. So 3 jumps. So how many? 3 jumps. So that is the result of this division. This is the process of division of whole numbers on number line. Hope you understood. Along with this video, I will post a worksheet. Go through the worksheet. Any doubts you may ask through WhatsApp. Have a good day.